Ever pondered on the question, how do animals contribute to the world of pharmacology? Well, the intersection of animals and pharmacology is a fascinating and critical aspect of medical science. Animals have been instrumental in the field of pharmacology for centuries, playing a pivotal role in early-stage drug discovery. This process involves the use of animals to test the safety and effectiveness of potential drugs before they reach human trials. However, this practice is not without controversy. While animal testing has led to significant advancements in medicine, it has also raised ethical dilemmas on the treatment of animals. But it's important to remember that without these animal models, the development of many life-saving drugs would not have been possible. In the grand scheme of pharmacology, animals serve as the stepping stone to our understanding of how potential drugs interact within a biological system. So, let's dive deep into the history of pharmacology and understand how different animals have been introduced into this field. The use of animals in pharmacology isn't a new phenomenon. It dates back to ancient times. The earliest known civilizations recognized the medicinal value of animals and used them in various capacities to treat ailments. Let's journey back to ancient Egypt, a civilization known for its remarkable advancements in medicine. Egyptians held animals in high regard, and they were integral to their healthcare practices. They used animal parts such as the fat of a hippopotamus or the bile of a crocodile in their medicinal concoctions. They believed these substances possessed healing powers and could cure a range of illnesses, from wounds to digestive disorders. But the Egyptians weren't alone in this practice. Fast forward a few centuries to the era of the Greeks and Romans. Renowned physicians like Hippocrates and Galen made significant contributions to early pharmacology using animals in their medicinal explorations. For instance, they used goat's milk for therapeutic purposes and the venom of certain snakes for medicinal treatments. They also used animal organs in religious ceremonies, believing that animal sacrifices could appease the gods and bring about healing and protection. These practices laid the groundwork for the development of pharmacology. They provided valuable insights into the potential of animals as a source of medicine and sparked curiosity about the natural world and its healing properties. Over time, the use of animals in medicine evolved from rudimentary and ritualistic to more systematic and scientific approaches. This evolution didn't happen overnight. It was a gradual process that took centuries, shaped by cultural beliefs, scientific discoveries, and technological advancements. From the ancient Egyptians to the Greeks and Romans, each civilization added a piece to the puzzle, contributing to our understanding of pharmacology and the role of animals in medicine. From the ancient times to the modern era, the use of animals has drastically evolved. But one thing remains constant: the crucial role of animals in the discovery and development of drugs, a testament to their enduring value in the field of pharmacology. As we moved into the modern era, the use of animals shifted from being purely medicinal to being more experimental. The 19th century marked the beginning of a new chapter in pharmacology with the introduction of laboratory animals. This revolutionary change commenced with the use of frogs. These amphibians, with their easily accessible and observable eggs, became a prime choice for early pharmacologists. The transparent eggs allowed scientists to observe the effects of substances on embryonic development without invasive procedures. This gave birth to the concept of experimental pharmacology, providing a foundation for our understanding of how drugs affect biological systems. Around the same time, dogs began to play a significant role in the laboratory setting. The use of dogs in pharmacology was instrumental due to their physiological similarities to humans. This allowed researchers to make more accurate predictions about the effects of drugs on the human body. In fact, the first successful demonstration of anesthesia in 1846 was performed on a dog, paving the way for safer surgical procedures in humans. But it wasn't just about frogs and dogs. Rabbits, guinea pigs, and pigeons also found their way into the laboratories, each contributing to the advancement of pharmacology in their unique ways. From testing the efficacy of vaccines to understanding the effects of drugs on various body systems, these animals played a crucial part in the evolution of modern medicine. The use of laboratory animals in the 19th century set a new precedent in pharmacological research. It brought about a shift in perspective, from viewing animals as sources of medicinal substances to understanding them as models for studying human diseases and drug responses. This shift was instrumental in the development of many life-saving drugs and therapies we rely on today. And thus, the era of laboratory animals was born. The 20th century saw the introduction of new animals into the laboratory setting. As the field of pharmacology progressed, so did its demand for more complex and accurate models for drug discovery. This era ushered in the use of rodents and non-human primates, both of which have become cornerstones of pharmacological research. Rodents, particularly mice and rats, have been extensively used in pharmacology due to their biological similarities with humans. Their short lifespans and rapid breeding cycles make them ideal for studying the long-term effects of drugs and diseases. They share about 98% of their genes with humans, making them a valuable resource for understanding human biology and disease. Non-human primates, on the other hand, share an even closer genetic relationship with humans, upwards of 99%. This close genetic match, coupled with their complex behaviors and cognitive abilities, make them an invaluable tool in neurological research. They've played a crucial role in the development of drugs for diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. But it's not just about the genes. The physiological and anatomical similarities between these animals and humans also play a significant role. For instance, the cardiovascular system of a rat closely mirrors that of a human, making them a preferred choice for research on heart diseases and drugs. Similarly, non-human primates have been instrumental in studying and developing treatments for various human conditions because their organ systems closely resemble ours. In addition to their contributions to drug discovery, rodents and non-human primates have also been instrumental in safety testing. Before any drug is deemed fit for human trials, it goes through rigorous testing in these animal models to determine its safety and efficacy. This process has saved countless lives by ensuring that only safe and effective drugs make it to the market. Despite their small size, rodents have made a significant impact in the field of pharmacology. And non-human primates, with their remarkable genetic and physiological similarities to humans, have advanced our understanding of complex diseases and led to the development of life-saving drugs. These animals, despite their small size, have made a significant impact in the field of pharmacology. As we moved into the 21st century, the field of pharmacology has continued to evolve and adapt. With the dawn of the new millennium, we've seen an interesting addition to the pharmacological animal kingdom. Enter the zebrafish. This small tropical freshwater fish has become an essential part of the early-stage drug discovery process. Zebrafish are particularly useful because they have a high degree of genetic similarity to humans, with about 70% of human genes having a zebrafish counterpart. Their embryos are transparent, allowing researchers to observe their internal development in real time. This transparency makes zebrafish a valuable tool for studying the effects of drugs on organ development and function. But why stop at zebrafish? In the relentless pursuit of knowledge, scientists have begun to explore the potential of other animals in pharmacology. The fruit fly, for example, shares around 60% of its genes with humans and has a relatively short life cycle. This makes it ideal for studying genetic diseases and the effects of potential treatments over several generations in a short span of time. And let's not forget the humble nematode worm, or C. elegans. This tiny creature has been a stalwart in the field of genetics for decades and is increasingly being used in pharmacology. Its simple nervous system makes it perfect for studying neurodegenerative diseases and potential drug treatments. As we look to the future, the use of animals in pharmacology is set to continue evolving. Genetically modified animals, such as pigs and mice, are increasingly being used to mimic human diseases more accurately. Advances in gene editing technologies like CRISPR have made it possible to create animal models with specific genetic mutations, allowing for more precise and effective drug testing. But as always, with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical considerations of using animals in research are of paramount importance and must continue to guide the way we conduct our research. The journey of animals in pharmacology is far from over. As we continue to explore the vast potential of the animal kingdom in drug discovery, we can look forward to new breakthroughs, new treatments, and a deeper understanding of the complex interplay between genetics, disease, and pharmacology. So we've traversed through time, understanding the role animals play in pharmacology. From the early use of animals, we've seen how their significance in drug discovery has evolved. They've been our guides, helping us understand the effects of potential therapies before they reach human trials. We journeyed from the introduction of laboratory animals to the era of rodents and non-human primates, each species offering unique insights into different aspects of human health. The zebrafish, with its transparent embryos and quick generation time, has ushered in a new era of discovery, allowing us to observe biological processes in real time. But as we harness the power of these creatures for the betterment of human health, we must never forget the ethical considerations that come with it. We owe them a debt of gratitude, and it's our responsibility to ensure their welfare. Remember, the role of animals in pharmacology is a testament to the intricate connection between all life forms on our planet.